Join the palm. Om chanting together 3 times. Long inhale. Rub your palm. Cup on your face. Namaste. Good morning. Today we are doing insight yoga. It is a very effective for mental peace and to increase your concentration power, and it is very effective to build strength. Now, first neck movement with your breath. Inhale your neck up. Exhale your neck down with the breath. Inhale, neck up. Focus on your body movement. Exhale, neck down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down with the breath, please. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, down. Chin lock. 1. Hold your breath outside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Neck rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse, please. You focus on your breath. Visualize your body movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, shoulder, please. 1, मैं टाई करूं. 2, 3 टाई करना है. 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax, please. Your both hand put on waist chisel. Abdomen rotation, please. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Catch your knee. So reverse. Abdomen reverse, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, abdomen only. 6, beginning Sagaru. 7, 8, relax please. Your knee rotation. Catch your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, reverse please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, relax please. Now, if you feel any comfortable with the closed eyes, you can open, no issue. Okay. Now, you both hand up please. Just interlock your hand here. Interlock arms. Okay. Your arms interlock, not hand madam, arms. Long inhale. Catch your elbow. Long inhale. Exhale, bend your body. Right hand side. Right hand side with the breath. Yes. Inhale, upside bending here. Yes. Inhale up, up. Interlock hand here. Arms. Exhale here. Inhale up. Exhale. Yes. Catch your bottle. Inhale up. Exhale. Yes, with the breath. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. And hold please. Side bending. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6. More. 7. Inhale up. Focus on your body. Exhalation other side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Yes. Swarna ji, one step forward, only you. Swarna madam, yes. Release your hand, your both hands shoulder level. Kati Chakrasana, both hands shoulder level. Okay, yes. Long inhale here. Exhale, right hand back, left hand put on right shoulder and twist your body towards left side. Yes. Inhale forward with your mind section. Exhale. Very good. Long inhale, all you're doing very well. Long inhale. Exhale, just image your body. Long inhale. Very good. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Maximum twist please. Long inhale. Exhale and hold. 1, 2. Maximum twist please. 3, 4 more. 5, 6, 7. Long inhale forward. Exhale. Yes. Just image your body. 1 more. 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please here. Yeah, now forward backward bending. You both hand put on right station. Okay. Forward backward bending. Long inhale here. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, down forward. Touch your hand with your foot. Inhale up with the breath. Exhale, bend back. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale, down forward. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. Yes, it is okay. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, down forward. Maximum please. Inhale up. You should be a little bit closer of it. Exhale, bend back. Maximum back. Inhale up. Exhale, down forward. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. And hold here please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. Inhale up. Exhale down forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale up, please. Just legs, please here. Squat करेंगे. Okay, chair pose. Okay, both hands side by thighs. Okay, side wise, please. Long inhale. Exhale, bend your knee, stretch your hand. Bend your knee. Yes, squat. Okay, yes. Both hand down. Inhale up, Suvarna ji. Inhale up. Yes. Exhale, bend your knee. Bend your knee. Both knee bend. Knee bend. Yes. Stretch your hand. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale. Yes. Inhale up. Very good. Exhale. Bend your knee. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And hold, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. All of you, okay, come top of the mat. One step forward. Yes, it is okay. Very good, very good. Yes, long inhale. Exhale. Only just start to stand up. Yes, you are perfect. Okay. Now Surya Namaskar we are doing. Joint your palm here with the breath. Inhale. Your both hand up, bend back. Bend back with the breath. Surya Namaskar we are doing. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Down, forward. Inhale, right leg back. Yes, on a mat only. Exhale, left leg back. Yes. Drop your near heart in chin. Yes. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Very good. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Down for inhale, your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Aram se drop your knee or heart in chin together. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back, please. Yes. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Slowly drop your heart in chin. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back, please. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up. Last round we are doing. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Up. Parvatasana together. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Just relax here. Joint the palm front of heart is in. Long inhale and exhale. Now joint the palm, please. Again. With the left side, inhale, both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Yes. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Yes. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop your heart in chin slowly. Yes. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. आराम से. Exhale Parvatasana. Inhale left leg forward. Exhale right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back please. Exhale down Padastasana. Inhale left leg back. Exhale right leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Yes, last round we are doing. Exhale down Padastasana. Focus on body. Inhale left leg back. Exhale right leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Inhale left leg forward. Exhale right leg forward. Inhale up. Just legs please. Take long inhale. Exhale. Veerbhadrasana. Second. Okay. Here your just legs for few seconds first. Okay. Take long inhale and exhale. Relax your body and your breath here. Your left leg back. Okay. Yes, left leg. Ma'am, no. Right leg forward, left leg back. Okay. Your right hand shoulder level, both hand shoulder level please, and right hand forward, left hand back. Left hand पीछे रखना है, साइड में नहीं, पीछे and forward. Yes. ये इधर वॉरियर फर्स्ट मैडम. Yes. हाथ सामने, जॉइंट नहीं करना है. Yes. 1 2 knee, bend your knee please here. 3 bend your knee, leg wide. 4 5 ऊपर आइए. 6 7 हाथ सीधा. 8 9 up. Now join the palm, both hand up and bend your knee. Bend your knee. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Knee straight, upper part down forward. Your hand touch with the mat. 1 2 3 towards your leg. 5 yes. 6 your leg between your hand. 8 9 10 up. Leg together please. Leg together, पाँव एक साथ रखेंगे. Leg together sir. Leg together. Yes. Now switch your leg. Your right leg back here. Veerbhadrasana, warrior. Okay. Your right hand, left hand forward and right hand back. Bend your knee. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5. Very good. 6 7 8. Yes. You both hand up and join the palm. Bend your left knee. 1 focus your body. 2 down sir. 2 3 upper up. 4 5 join the palm. 6 yes. 7 8. Knee straight down upper part. 1 2 3 both hand down. Very good. 5 6 7 8. Relax please. Leg together. Shake your leg. Yes.